One man is dead after his brother stabbed him during a dispute last night. Dead is 46-year-old Leslie Dale of Rocky Hill Retreat, Content St. Mary. Reports are that about 9:30, Mr. Dale and his brother got into a quarrel which led to a fight.
Me and him go to work yesterday, we come back in and then now we was together up at Top Shop there, having a drink, and him leave and say, I got the station. And by me reach from my yard, me get the phone call, say, boy, something go wrong down here. So.
There are always in grievance and arguments over a family matter. But there and then, I didn't hear anything like yesterday happen or so, but I know what I gather from this when it happened is that my son that is in luck was sitting up there, and the one that was sitting, his girlfriend called the son that died from up the hill. I don't know what she said to him because I wasn't there, but when he came on the scene, she handed him a cutlass and he used it to slap
his brother,
the one that is in jail.